You need to do this if you want to get more reach for your Facebook page. Now, before I continue, if you're new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel so they can get more tips like this. So now I'm going to show you to you where you can turn on this feature where you can get more views or more reach for your Facebook page. This is what you call as a recommended page. And I'm going to show it to you in two places as usual, in the computer and in mobile. Let's go. Alright, so this is where you do it. Let me just show you the Facebook documentation first, okay? How to turn similar page suggestion on and off for your page. This is important if you want your page to be suggested to somewhere else. For example, when sometimes people visit your page, you may see the related page section on the left side of the page. Alright, so they may list page similar to yours. At the same time, your page could be listed there as well. So this is one place where you can have more visibility into your page. Now you need to have Facebook page access to a page to have this turn on and turn off. Now let me show you how you can do it in your computer. First, log into your Facebook. Let me just open up my Facebook page. So okay, this is my Facebook page. First, obviously you need to log into your Facebook page first. So go to top right, go to your account, then go to your find your Facebook page and switch to the page. Now you're at the profile page, and now where do I do it? You go to top right again, click on that. So you can see settings and privacy. Just make sure again you switch to your profile. Go to settings and privacy. Okay, go to settings. Scroll down. You can see here how people can find and contact you. Okay? How people can find you. Click on that, and then you can see that allow search engine outside Facebook, of course, so they can find. Allow your page to be recommended to people looking at similar page. So this is where you can turn on and turn off. I turn it on so that people can see my page. Alright, so this is one way you can do to make sure that people can see your page is being recommended at other places as well. So this is how you can turn on recommendations so that people can be recommended to your page. So this is in computer. Let me show you quickly how you do it in your phone. Let's go. So alright, now I'm at my Facebook account. So at the bottom right, I think Android is at top right. So it's similar things. So just go to your menu, switch to the page that you want to switch to. For example, I'll switch to this, my same page. Okay, and now I'm switched to this page already. Click on bottom right, click on your picture, and then you go to settings and privacy. Click on that, go to settings, and then you can scroll down again to find how people can find and contact you. Click on that, and same thing, you can click or unclick this recommended people. This place where allow your page to be recommended to people looking at similar page. This is how you turn similar page suggestion on and off for your page.